Welcome back, Hoopers, to part 3 of this 5-part series. Previous combo, we ended the move in a two-handed barrel roll, something like this. So this portion of the move is going to look like this. All right, so let's break that down. We're gonna go into a two-handed barrel roll. So you're gonna grab the bottom of the hoop with both hands and your palms are gonna be facing down. You're gonna turn over your dominant shoulder while keeping your hoop in contact with your body right here. So as I'm turning, I'm making sure that the hoop is nice and close, maintaining that grip on the hoop, and I'm gonna continue to turn. So as I'm turning to the back, the hoop is now on my back. I'm gonna continue turning. My hoop is in contact with the side of my hip, and then I'm going to bring it over towards the front. So we're gonna be here, gonna go all the way around, making sure that you are maintaining that grip at all times. So turn, turn, turn to the front. Now we're gonna go into an outside grip barrel roll. You're gonna take your dominant hand, you're gonna grip the outside of the hoop anywhere that you feel comfortable. You're gonna release your opposite hand and you're gonna turn over your opposite shoulder. Again, making sure that the hoop is nice and close to our body, but we're gonna be maintaining our grip on the top of the hoop like this. Always keeping in mind that you want to keep the hoop in this position right here, so you don't want it to be moving around or twisting side to side, turning like this. You want to make sure that the hoop is nice and flat right here. So as you're gripping it from the outside, you're going to turn over your opposite shoulder, bring the hoop all the way up, and you're going to maintain your grip on the hoop. As you're turning over to the back, you're going to have your hand on the bottom of the hoop like this. You're going to take your free hand, grab the bottom of the hoop, make sure that you're meeting thumb to thumb, release your dominant hand, and you're going to maintain that grip again, and you're gonna go to the front like this. So two-handed barrel roll, all the way to the front, re-grip, go in the opposite direction, meet thumb to thumb, and come all the way to the front right here. Now take your dominant hand, you're gonna grab the bottom of the hoop, and you're just gonna hinge the hoop forward and bring your hand to the top. So we were here, we're gonna bring it forward and up. Then you're gonna do the same thing with your opposite hand. Grab the bottom of the hoop, let go of the top, drop it forward, and bring it to the top. Now you're going to take your dominant hand, you're gonna re-grip the hoop on the inside, and we're gonna drive the hoop with a two-handed isolation. So your arms are gonna be going in the same direction. You're gonna have tension pushing against the hoop, so you're going to bring your hands to the side like this. You're gonna go to the top, you're gonna keep going until your hands are crossed right here. You're gonna be in this locked position like this. You're just gonna flip the hoop up like this and then flip it back down. Then we're gonna release our grip and go in the opposite direction. So we're going to bring it over to the top. We're gonna go to the sides, back to the top, and then cross over again. And then from here, you're gonna, again, just go into a little flip over your body like this. So let's take that from the hinging. So we're gonna grab the hoop, we're gonna hinge forward, push up against the hoop. You're going to bring your hands across, cross over, flip up and down, across, over, flip up. Now in this position, you're gonna bring your hands all the way down like this. So now we're in this cross position and we're gonna bring the hoop over to our non-dominant side. So we're just gonna extend our arm up and we're gonna bring the hoop up and behind. So we're here, extend, and then bring your hands up and behind you and cross in front of you like this. Then we're gonna extend our dominant hand out and then bring the hoop back in front. We're gonna be in that starting position again with our arms crossed over, extend over to your opposite side, bring your hands up and above you, maintaining that grip, extend your dominant hand, and then bring the hoop back down like this. Now we're going to release your grip on your dominant side. You're gonna raise the hoop up, tracing with your opposite hand, and you're going to release your grip with both hands and just give it a nice little toss above And as the hoop is coming back down, you're gonna sneak your hands inside and you're going to lock your hands and push up against the inside of the hoop like this. So you're gonna trap the hoop right here. So let's take it from here. We're gonna extend opposite side, above, into the side, and then we're going to release our grip on the hoop and bring it next to each other parallel like this. Bubble the hoop up, release, and catch. All right, so let's go over that one more time. I'm gonna go into our two-handed barrel roll. So turn over your dominant shoulder, maintaining contact with the hoop around your hips. Now we're gonna release and do an outside grip barrel roll. Turn over your dominant shoulder, meet thumb to thumb down here. Keep turning. You're gonna take your dominant hand, grab the bottom of the hoop, hinge forward, hinge forward. Now we're going to twist and do an isolation with two hands, cross over, flip up, twist in the opposite direction, cross over, flip up, bring the hoop all the way down. We're gonna extend our opposite arm, bring our hands up and above, extend our dominant hand, and then bring the hoop down here. Release your grip with your opposite arm. Gonna bring the hoop up, toss, and catch. So if you started from part one, this is what the move is going to look like in its entirety. So that was part 3 of this 5-part series. If you are not already subscribed, be sure to subscribe to my channel and check out all those videos that came before this one. And I'll see you again soon in part 4. Happy hooping.